Hey Flutes, welcome back. This is a video that's going to cover the last lines of flute exercise number 1. These videos, you remember the last video, line 5, we were working on notes that go higher. Do not attempt this video until you are comfortable playing all the notes from the low B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. So that's 8 notes in total. You're going to need all 8 of these notes to play the rest of the exercises on this page. So go back and continue to work on those other exercises until you feel comfortable, and then you can begin this video. If you feel like you are ready to go on, then this video is for you. So let's take a look. We have 2 flats in the key signature, B flat and E flat. We're going to begin on our high B flat, and we're coming down. We're going to play all of the notes in succession. So we have an A. The next measure, we're going to G, F. Then we're going to take a little 1 measure break here, breathe again, and we're coming in on E flat, because remember the E flat is over here in our key signature. So we're going to remember that this is E flat, D, C, and ending on the low B flat. So we're basically playing what we call a scale, which is 8 notes, starting from the top note and coming all the way down to the same note of the first name of the note at the beginning. So B flat to B flat. Now notice that these are slurs. So we're going to tongue the first note of every two note slurs. So every measure, tongue the first note, and then the second note, we're just going to move the air. But notice right here, because we're going 2 measures, we're going to try not to take a breath right here. So it says no breath. Sometimes we see that abbreviated NB. So if you look over here, NB, that means the same thing, no breath. And you see the line going across the bar line that they've written in to remind you, don't take a breath right there. So in flute world, we need to really develop the ability to go more than 1 measure at a time. Some other little tidbits of information here. Use your top lip to aim your air down. So you should feel your nose pull down when you do this. The tip of your nose kind of feel like it's going to come down, kind of like being a rabbit. You can practice that a little bit. So the upper lip is coming down so that we can aim the air. All right. So here we go. B flat. Let's finger this. 1, 2, and ready, go. B flat, A, G, F. You go ahead and set your fingers for the E flat. E flat, D, C, and end on B flat. All right. My instruments are really super cold. All right, B flat. And tap, 2, and that is line number 6. Line 7 is going to be the reverse. We're going to start on the low B flat. We're still playing half notes, but notice there are no slurs on this. So we're going to tongue every single note, but we're not going to take a breath. So it's still no breath here, just like it was up here. And we're going to hold our breath for the 4 count rest right here. So we're going all the way up. So let's note name, B flat, C, D, E flat, because it's in the key signature. And then we're moving forward. Here's F, F, G, A, and ending on B flat. All right, here we go. Set your fingers for a B flat. Sit really tall. Make sure your thumb is pulled back. And tap to B flat. Set your finger for F and breathe. How'd you do? When you feel comfortable with line 6 and line 7, then you are ready to go on to line number 8. I'm going to go ahead and go over it so that you are ready to do that when you feel comfortable. Get back there. And what we're doing on line 8 is the full 1-octave concert B flat scale. So you are going from B flat to B flat and then right back down. So there are a couple of things that you're going to practice this slowly at first. You're not going to get this all at once. Notice that this is in what we call scale rhythm. That means that you're going to play the first note longer than the rest of the notes and the top note longer than the rest of the notes. So we're doing this scale in quarter notes, but the bottom note is a half note and the top note is a half note. Also notice that when we play a scale going up, we play it with tongued notes, 2, 2, 2, and then when we get to the top, we just slur. So it's just air and fingers all the way back down. So listen for that little technique as we're working on this. And always check your key signature. So the key of B flat has 2 flats, B flat and E flat. We back up 1 flat to name the key. So the first flat is B flat, and that's the name of the scale, the B flat scale, because it starts on B flat, goes to B flat, and ends on B flat. All right. Tap, tap. Here's what it sounds like. Okay, so as you were working on this scale, don't try to do the whole thing all at once. Now, I performed the whole scale for you, but just do like a measure at a time until you feel comfortable, or do a measure plus 1 note, and then the next measure plus 1 note, and then try putting those together. So just learn it in little chunks and then piece the whole thing together. It's going to take you a little while to learn the scale, and you're going to feel so proud of yourself when you finally learn the entire B flat scale. So good luck as you're working on this, and we'll see you next time.